In this video, I'm going to show you how to find deleted apps on your iPhone. So if you accidentally deleted an app on your iPhone and want to find it, so this guide will show you the exact steps you need to follow. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. So wait for it to load. Now once you're inside the App Store, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. So this will open your account settings. Now after that, tap on apps. Now at the top of your screen, you'll see two tabs. You have all and not on this iPhone. So select not on this iPhone. So this section will show you all the apps that you previously downloaded but are no longer installed on your device. So scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the app you're looking for. Now, once you find the deleted app, so tap the cloud icon to download it again. So the app will start downloading again and will be restored to your iPhone. So wait for the download to finish and then you can open the app just like before. So if you had an account in that app, you can simply log back in to restore your data depending on the app. So just keep in mind that this method works because the App Store keeps a history of all apps you've installed, even after deleting them. So anytime you delete an app by mistake, you can always come back to the section and download it again. And that's it. That's how you can find and restore deleted apps on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.